This video shows how to activate SimpleMind Pro for Mac. Open the delivery email and click on the link. Start the download. Open the downloaded file. Drag it to Applications. Open Applications so you can select SimpleMind Pro. Click to open and confirm the security warning. Go to the delivery email. Select all text by using Command and A and copy all text by using Command and C. Next, press OK in the activation window. And that's it. This now says your name or your company. Press OK and you can start mind mapping.